Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you a full body workout where you don't only lose that excess fat but also tone your every muscle. So what are you waiting for? Let's just get started. We will start with burpees, which is a full body blaster workout. Place your legs shoulder width apart, then push your hips backward while bending your knees and lower your body into a squat position. Then you will directly place your hands onto the floor, pushing your feet backward into a plank position. You will form a straight line from your head to toe. Now again get back to the squat position, rise up and jump up in the air. Again get back into the plank position, rise up, jump and continue doing it. While you are in the plank position, make sure your hip doesn't rise too high or your back doesn't shrink. For our next arm and chest workout, we will do push-ups. Start by taking a doggy position. Place your hands wider than the shoulder width. Now put all your weight on your arms and on your feet while making a straight line of your body. Now that you are all set with the position, try reaching down by bending your arms. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions each. And breathe and drink water. For our next cardio workout, we will be doing shuffles. For shuffles, you have to stand straight with your legs at hip distance apart and hands on your waist. Now jump while simultaneously bringing one leg forward and one leg backward. Then jump again and bring another leg forward and next leg backward. Repeat this for 20 times and take 30 seconds of rest in between the sets. Our next workout is again for arms, particularly for triceps muscles. For this, you will need a bench or a stable chair. Place your hands at shoulder width apart on the bench and feet pointing outwards. You have to move your body away from the bench while hands still on the bench. Now push your body towards the ground, reaching the floor while making almost 90 degrees in your arms. Then again reach up while keeping slight bend in the elbow, which will maintain the tension. Now for our next workout, we are doing jumping lunges, which is a good blend of cardio and lower body workout. For this workout, you have to take a hip distance between your legs. Now again shuffle your legs, bring front leg backward and back leg will go at the front and lunge. Continue doing this for 20 times. And remember to drink water. Next workout is mountain climbers, which is again a blend of cardio and core workout. For this, you have to take a plank position where all your weight is on toes and your arms. Now draw your leg inward towards your chest alternatively while slowly increasing the speed. You will be doing 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Now, as we are done with arms and chest workout, we will be doing workout for back, that is a Superman. For this, you have to lay on the ground on your stomach, then spread your legs and arms apart from your body, then raise your left leg and right hand together while raising your chest and shoulders slightly. While raising your hands and legs, you will not bend them. Then go back to the position and continue doing it alternatively. You will be doing 3 sets of 20 repetitions each. For our next cardio workout, we will be doing step-ups. For step-ups, you need a stepper box or even steps will be fine. For this, you have to simply jump on the stepper box with both the legs together and then jump back onto the position with both the legs together. Continue doing this for 30 to 40 times. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also let me know in the comment box which video you would like to see next. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.